In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to theme your Ecwid store, a step-by-step process that will help enhance your online shop's visual appeal and show you how to align it with your brand aesthetic. By theming your store effectively, you can create a cohesive shopping experience that may not only attract, but also retain more customers. This walkthrough aims to guide you through each step clearly and thoroughly, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your Ecwid account and head over to the Ecwid control panel. This is the hub where you can manage and customize everything about your store, from product listings to design elements. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options on the dashboard, as it'll make navigation easier as we move along. Next, navigate over to the settings section. You can generally find this option on the left side of the control panel. Click on it and it will reveal a drop-down menu. The settings area is where all the magic happens, as you can tweak numerous aspects of your store to suit your needs. Once you've clicked on settings, be sure to look for the subsection labeled templates. Inside the templates section, you will find a range of themes available for you to choose from. Take some time here to explore the various options. Each template offers a different style and layout, so it's beneficial to have a clear vision of your brand's aesthetic before making a selection. Remember, your store's theme should reflect your brand identity while being visually appealing to your customers. Now comes the exciting part, selecting your theme. As you browse through the available templates, hover over each one to preview how it might look when applied to your store. Your choice should not only be visually pleasing, but also functional and easy for customers to navigate. It's important to consider how the theme will look on both desktop and mobile, as a significant portion of online shopping happens on mobile devices. After you have chosen the template that best matches your brand image and functional needs, simply click to select it. Most themes will allow a degree of personalization, letting you tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to better suit your brand. Don't shy away from experimenting with these options until you find the perfect balance that embodies your brand's spirit. Once satisfied with your selections, ensure to save your changes. This will apply the chosen theme to your store, making it instantly viewable by your customers. After everything is saved, take a moment to view your store as a customer would. This final step allows you to experience firsthand how the new theme affects navigation and overall shop aesthetics, enabling you to make any additional adjustments if needed. By following these steps, you should now have a beautifully themed Ecwid store that's ready to impress your customers. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to explore your customization options further to continually refine